everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable chats in OTR 2. If you are playing Off the Road 2 game and you are playing it in multiplayer and you want to communicate with other players, then first of all go ahead and launch open the OTR 2 game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you'll see this kind of an interface where you'll need to click on the multi-options menu at the top, and inside multi-options tap on chat. Now you need to enter the passcode that you've previously set and you will be able to see this enabled button right next to chat if your code is correct. Now you have enabled the chat function in the game. Now go ahead and join into a multiplayer session to start chatting with other players. So that is how simple and quick it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.